Hello students, I hope you all will be good at your places, and today I am just going to tell you the exercise 19b in fundamental operation, in which I will tell you how to subtract and add the different polynomials. I told you in the chapter 18 that what is the polynomial. An algebraic expression in which two or more than two unlike terms are there are called the polynomial. So there are two methods to add and subtract of the different polynomials. So first of all, I am just going to tell you the row method. Here two polynomials are given. So first of all, we will write the first polynomial. This is the 4a minus b plus 6c, and then after we will write this polynomial. Because we have to add both of them, so we will write the plus sign and then 3a minus 4b plus 5c. Okay, now you can see here 4a and 3a both are the like terms, and I told you in previous exercise 19a how to add the like terms. So 3a and 4a will be the 7a, and you can see here that minus b and minus 4b, these both are the like terms because the same variable are there. So minus b and minus 4b will be the minus 5b minus minus minus, and plus 6c and plus 5c both are the like term because the same variable is there, so it will be the plus 11c. So this is our answer, 7a minus 5b plus 11c. Okay, now I will tell you how to add by the column method. Suppose two numbers 45 and 44 are there, and you have to add these numbers by column method. So by adding this, you always write the one number below the another number for adding or for subtracting. Okay, so this is called the column method, where we write the one number below the another number. But same method we will apply here. Like 4a minus b plus 6c. But remember this thing that we have to write the like term in the single column, in the same column. Okay, you can see here this is the 4a and this is the 3a. Both are the like term, so you will write the 3a below the 4a. Got it? The like term must be in the same column. After that, this is the b, so you will write the same term in which the b is there below this term, 4b. After that, c is there and 5c is there, so same term is there, so you will write the 5c below the 6c, means the same term must be in the same column. Now you will add it, 6c and 5c, plus 6c and plus 5c will be plus 11c, and minus b minus 4b minus 5b, and plus 4a and plus 3a plus 7a. You will not write the plus sign before the 7a because before that no term is there. Okay, so this is the answer. Or you can see here that same answer we have got, the answer which we got in the row method. Okay, 7a minus 5b plus 11c. Now I will tell you how to subtract the polynomial. First of all, I will tell you the row method. Suppose 3a plus 4b plus 5c, you have to subtract from 4a plus 5b minus 8c. You have to subtract this polynomial from this polynomial. It is the question like this, that you have to subtract the 5 from 15. So how do you subtract it? From means whenever you find the from in the subtraction, it means you have to subtract the first value from the last value, means 15 minus 5. Same thing we have to do here. First of all, we will write it here, then put the minus sign, and then we will write it here. Means we have to subtract this polynomial from this, like here. Okay. So we will write this polynomial first of all, 4a plus 5b minus 8c. And minus, because we have to subtract. Now the polynomial which we have to subtract from this, we will put it in the bracket. 3a plus 4b plus 5c. Remember this thing that we have to put it into the bracket. Now this polynomial will remain same, 4a plus 5b minus 8c. Now when we open the bracket, so we will multiply these all signs by this negative sign. Okay, this bracket is working just like a multiplication sign. So when you will open this bracket, we will multiply this sign by this all sign. Okay, so when you will open the bracket, so plus 3a into minus 3a, okay, and plus 4b into minus 4b, and plus 5c into minus 5c. Means whenever the minus sign is given out of the bracket, the sign of the polynomial into the bracket will be changed when you will open the bracket. Got it? You can see here, this is the plus, here minus, plus minus, plus minus. Means opposite sign you have to put. Got? Now again the same thing we have to do. 4a and 3a, like term are there, so 4a and minus 3a, only a will be left, 4a minus 3a, a. Now plus 5b and minus 4b, so plus b will be left, because plus b minus 4b, only 1b will left. Now minus 8c and minus 5c, it will be 13c, because minus minus हमेशा ऐड हो जाते हैं, बट साइन हमेशा माइनस का ही रहता है. ओके, सो दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस. ओके, व्हाट इज द आंसर? a plus b minus 13c. Now I will tell you how to subtract this polynomial from this by using the column method. Okay, again we will write this polynomial first of all, 4a plus 5b minus 8c. Then after we will write this, but I told you that we have to write the like term in the single or same column. So it is the 3a, so a after a, and then 4b, it is the plus 4b, and then plus 5c. Now we have to subtract. Now the most important thing in the column method, whenever we subtract any polynomial by another polynomial, we change the sign of the polynomial. Okay, if this is the plus, so you will write a minus. If this is the minus, so you will write the plus. Okay, here plus is given, so I have written the minus. Here again plus is given, so I have written the minus. And here plus is there, so we have write the minus. Got it? Whatever the sign is given in the polynomial, you write the just opposite of it. Suppose here the minus sign is given, so what you will do? You will write the plus sign. Okay, here the plus sign is there, so you will write the minus. Now the signs that are already given in the polynomial, they are just useless. Okay, the sign which are given in the polynomial already, they are just useless. Okay, we will not use them. We will use this sign and this and this and this. Okay, the sign which we have converted, we use that sign only. So minus 8c and minus 5c, this is not a plus 5c, because we have changed minus 8c and minus 5c minus 13c, minus 13c, plus 5b and minus 4b, plus 5b minus 4b, what is left? Plus b. Okay, 5b में से 4b जाएगा तो b बचेगा. Now 4a minus 3a, a will left. So you can see here, from both the method, by using both the method, we have got the same answer. Okay, a plus b minus 13c, a plus b minus 13c. So these are two methods, row method and the column method, which I told you. Now we will start the exercise 19b. Got it? In 19b exercise, I told you the two methods, row method and the column method. You may use any method to solve the question. Here I will tell you the column method. Got it? This is the first question, first part of this. 3a plus 4b plus 7c. Second polynomial 5a plus 3b and minus 6c, and the last polynomial is given 4a minus 2b and minus 4c. Okay, you have to add this. So how do you add? 3a plus 4b plus 7c, and then after you will write minus 5a plus 3b and minus 6c, and the last polynomial 4a minus 2b and minus 4c. Now you will add. Whenever we use the column method in addition, we never change the sign. As it is, we just add it. Now 6 and 4, minus 6c and minus 4c, minus 10c and plus 7c. So minus 3c will left. Okay, minus and minus will be added. So 10c and plus 7c. So minus 3c will left because the minus value is greater than the positive value. Now here plus 4b plus 3b, 7b minus 2b, 5b. Okay, now here 3a minus 5a and minus 4a, minus will be added. It will be 9 minus 9a, and minus 9 is, and plus 3a minus 6a. It will be the positive side. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. After that, the fourth part of the question number 1 I am just going to tell you. A square minus ab plus bc and 2ab plus bc minus 2a square, and the third term minus 3bc plus 3a square and plus ab. Okay, you have to add it, and I told you we have to write all the like term in the single or same column. So first of all we will write it here, a square minus ab plus bc. Okay, now in this polynomial, here is the 2a square, so we will write the like term in the same column. So it will be the 2a square because this and this are the like term, so we will write all the like term in the same column. Okay, now ab, this is the ab and ab, both are the like terms, so we will write it here 2ab, okay, and plus bc below the bc. Now last term we will write 3a square, and then after we will write the plus ab and minus 3bc. Okay, now we will add it. Now you can see here, these all are the like term. Okay, I have written all the like term in same column. Now bc plus bc, 2bc and minus 3bc. Whenever the plus and minus sign is there, we always subtract. So we will get the bc with minus sign because the minus 3bc is greater than the plus 2bc. Here 2ab and ab, 3ab, and when you will subtract the ab from 3ab, you will get the 2ab. Now here a square plus 2a square, 3a square and plus 3a square, 6a square. So this is the answer of this question. Got it? 3 plus 2, 5 and 1, 6a. Now the question number 2 I am just going to tell you. In this question you have to add the following expression. This is the question number 2. I am telling you the third part of this. Here it is written a cube minus 2b cube plus a and b cube minus 2a cube plus b and minus 2b minus 2b plus 2b cube minus 5a and plus 4a cube. This is the question which you have to solve. Okay.
As I told you, there are two methods, column and the row method. Okay, if you will use the column method in this, so you will get stuck because there are different type of variables are there, AQ, BQ, B. So instead of this, we will use the row method, and you know how to use the row method. For this, we will write all the terms, all the polynomial in row. So AQ minus 2BQ plus A, then plus. We are writing the sign of plus because we are adding. Now we will use this term. We will use. Now we will add. Now we will write this polynomial BQ minus 2AQ plus B and plus, because this polynomial is starting with the minus sign. So we will write it in the bracket. Minus 2B plus 2BQ minus 5A plus 4AQ. Okay. Now, in next step, we will open the bracket. AQ minus 2BQ plus A plus BQ minus 2AQ plus B. Now, here you can see here that plus sign is there out of the bracket. So, in this case, the all sign will remain as it is, which are given inside the bracket. If the minus sign would be there out of the bracket, in that case the sign will be changed. Okay, so plus into minus, minus B minus 2B plus 2BQ minus 5A plus 4AQ. Okay, you can see here all terms are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, in next step, we will make a group of the like term. Means we will write all the like term together. This is the AQ, okay. And where is the AQ? This is AQ. And where is the AQ? This is AQ. So AQ, then minus 2AQ, okay, and then plus 4AQ. After that, we will write the all the terms in which the BQ is there. Here the BQ is there, BQ, and here BQ is there. 1, 2, 3 terms are there. So minus 2BQ and plus BQ, okay, and then after plus 2BQ. After that we will write all those terms in which the A is there. A, and where is the A? A. This term, these term we will write. So plus A and minus 5A. These two terms we have written. After that, what is left? After that, we will write those terms in which the B is there. So B is here and B is here. So we will write the plus B and minus 2B. Okay, so you can count it here. All the terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will add it together. You can see here AQ and 4AQ. Both are with the plus sign. So 4AQ plus AQ, 5AQ, and 5AQ minus 2AQ, you will get the 3AQ. Now here BQ, BQ, BQ. Same. All are like term. So plus 2BQ and plus BQ plus 3BQ. 3BQ minus 2BQ, you will get the plus BQ. Okay. Now this and this is solved. After that A, okay, minus A and plus A, you will get the minus 4A. And then after B, minus 2A, sorry, minus 2B and B, you will get the minus B. So this is your answer. 3AQ plus BQ minus 4A minus B. Got it? So by this way you will solve this question. First of all, you will write all the polynomial in the row. Okay. Then after you will make a group of all the like term, and then you will add or subtract. Got it? After that, all the questions in this exercise are exactly same. So you will do on your own. And in question number 5, take word is used. So take means you have to subtract it here. Got it? You have to subtract the first term from the last term. Don't confuse it here. So these were the questions which I told you. So you will do all those questions which are given in the exercise on your own. Till then you just keep practice. Thank you.